Welcome to the Herbal Prepper channel, your ultimate guide to health and doomsday preparation. Hey there, fellow preppers and health enthusiasts. Welcome to the Herbal Prepper channel, your go-to source for all things health, herbal remedies, and doomsday preparation. I'm Herbal Master Prepper, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this journey. Today, we've got an exciting introduction for you, so grab a seat and let's dive in. Have you ever found yourself wanting to help a friend or family member with a health problem, but you didn't know where to start? Or perhaps you've thought about the end of the world and wanted to be prepared, but the overwhelming amount of information left you feeling lost. Well, you're not alone. That's why the Herbal Prepper channel is here to empower you with knowledge, tips, and advice to thrive in every aspect of your life. Who we are. Before we jump into the exciting content we have planned for you, let me tell you a bit about who we are. At the Herbal Prepper channel, our mission is to provide you with valuable insights into herbal remedies, health optimization, and doomsday preparation. Whether you're looking to improve your well-being, enhance your sex life, or build a solid stash for whatever may come our way, we've got you covered. Health and wellness. Now let's talk about health and wellness. Have you ever wished for a natural solution to common health problems? On this channel, we delve into the power of herbal remedies, superfoods, and lifestyle choices that can help you achieve optimal health. From boosting your immune system to enhancing your energy levels, we've got tips and tricks for everyone. Doomsday preparation. And for those of you who ponder the possibilities of doomsday scenarios, fear not. We're here to guide you through the ins and outs of doomsday preparation. Whether it's creating a well-stocked emergency kit, learning survival skills, or adopting sustainable living practices, the Herbal Prepper channel is your one-stop destination for all things prepping. Call to action. Now here's where you come in. Do you know anyone struggling with a health issue, or perhaps you've been searching for ways to help them? Share this video with them, and let's build a community of empowered individuals who support each other's well-being. And for those of you who think about the end of the world, but don't know where to start, hit that subscribe button and join us on this exciting journey. Thanks for tuning in to the introduction of the Herbal Prepper channel. We're thrilled to have you on board, and we can't wait to explore the realms of health and doomsday preparation together. Remember, preparation is key and knowledge is power. Until next time, stay healthy, stay prepared, and stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Connect with us on social media for the latest tips and community discussions. This is Herbal Master Prepper, signing off from the Herbal Prepper channel. Take care and see you in the next video.